how to install Java software and Eclipse. So generally it is a two-step process. So we will do one by one. So coming to this step 1. So install JDK or JRE. So JDK itself is enough, or you can install JRE. JDK is nothing but Java Development Kit. First install this one or install JRE, Java Runtime Environment. So my suggestion is, so whether you are Windows user or Mac, whether you are using Windows operating system or Mac operating system, so install JDK, that is enough. So generally for Windows, JRE or JDK is both will work, but for Mac users, sometimes if you install only JRE, so you will get some errors. That is the reason for Mac users strictly go to install JDK. So that is the reason for common. So I am going to discuss with JDK only. So these are the links are available. You can use the link and to install your softwares. Before going to install your softwares, first check so whether the Java software is available in your system or not. Just type cmd. So this is our command prompt. Here you just type Java space hyphen version. Press enter. So if it will display like this, Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So that means in your machine there is no Java software. Okay. So then minimize this command prompt and go for the step 1. So I am preferring JDK or JRE. JDK or JRE. So at least one is enough. Copy this link and go to your browser, Google Chrome or Firefox. So type that URL here or copy paste that URL and press on enter. So press on enter. So it will display like this. Scroll down. So if you see here, Java SE Standard Edition Development Kit 15.02 is there. Okay now. So this is the latest version. So if you see this product or file description, so it is completely related to our operating system. So if you are using Linux operating system or Mac operating system or Windows operating system, so for Mac users you just go to this one. So for Windows users go to this one. Okay. So for Windows users you just click on this one. And it will display like this. You must accept the Oracle Technology Network License Agreement for Oracle Java SE to download this software. So checkbox is there. You just click on this checkbox. So now download JDK 15.02 Windows. Just click on this one. So it is downloading. Please wait a few seconds. If your system is speed, then it will take only few seconds, or otherwise it will take 1 or 2 minutes. So my system, it is taking 20 seconds. So 10 more seconds left. 7 more seconds. It is downloading. Please wait. It is downloading. Yes, a download is completed. So you just click on this one. It is opening. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, you just click on yes. Click on yes. Please wait few seconds. Yes, Windows installer. So Java TM SE software kit. Yes, click on next. Okay na, click on next. So Java TM SE development kit. Yes, it is installing. Please wait. Yes, it is installing. Please wait. It will take a few seconds only. Your system is fast. It will take few seconds only. Few seconds only. Yes. So Java SE development kit 15.02 successfully installed. Then close. Okay. So again go to command prompt and now here type Java space hyphen version. Click on enter. Again it is showing Java is not recognized as internal or external command. So just type Java. It is also not recognized. Java C. It is also not recognized. So please wait. Okay. Now just go to my computer. Go to my computer. My computer. Go to my computer. This PC. Click on. Just right click. Right click. Go to properties. Go to properties. So the properties are like this. Okay, go to advanced system settings and here it will display like this: settings, environment variables. Click on this environment variables and here user variables for username is there. Here you just click on new. So it is asking new user variable name. So you just type a path and variable value. So that means I am creating a path for Java. So how to create path? So go to local disk and go to program files. In program files Java folder is available. Click on this Java folder and JDK 15.02 is available. Click on this one and bin folder. Click on this one. So now go to top and select this one. This is the path C:/program files/java/jdk -15.02/bin. Copy the entire one. Copy. So come to here new user variables, variable value. You just paste the variable value. This is a permanent path and place semicolon and click on OK. Here also click on OK. So click on OK and close this one. So close this one. So now I am going to check. In command prompt Java. Again it is showing like this: Java C. So Java hyphen version. So please wait 1 second. Now just check. So take a new command prompt cmd. Just to type Java. So it is displayed some content. That means Java was successfully installed. Java was successfully installed. Okay. So again go to command prompt cmd and check Java C. Okay, it is also available. So that means your software is successfully installed. So then check version, Java space hyphen version. So click on this one. Yes, in my machine Java version 15.02 is available. Okay, so these all things are you need to check. So what is the mistake is open a new command prompt. So I opened the previous command prompt and I am checking so whether my Java was installed or not. So that is a mistake. So you just close that command prompt and open a new command prompt. Okay na? Now in my machine, so Java is successfully installed. Okay, so then, so after completion of this step, okay, without Eclipse, can I run Java programs? Yes, you can run Java programs. So how to run Java programs, sir? Okay, so go to some local disk, whatever the local disk. I am preferring local disk E. In E, I am creating one folder. My folder name is SAMPLE sample. Sample is my folder. Here it is created. So go to this folder, and in this folder take a new text document. Okay, now so click on this one and type your program. So suppose my program is class, my program name is a demo. Okay, so public static void main string aux. In this I am just printing system.out.println hello. I am just printing a single message and close class and go to file, save as. Save as. Here save as type is all files. Here the name must be a class name, demo dot extension, file extension is Java. Click on save. So go to command prompt now. So where is your folder? In E disk, local disk E, just type E colon, press enter. Okay, you are in, your path is in local disk E. So what is your folder name? CD space sample, SAMPLE sample. Type like this, CD space sample, enter. So now your path is E, local disk E, and folder is sample. This is the exact path because your file is available in this folder. So you need to go to like this. Okay, after that you just check your compile your program. How to compile your program? What is the command? Java C space program name demo.java. Okay, so file not found, demo.java. Please wait 1 second. File not found. Please wait 1 second. And now see this one. So my folder is available in if, not E. That is a mistake. So go to F, then type CD. Folder name is sample. So then this is the path. Now just run Java C, compile your Java program. Your program name is demo.java. So if you display like this, that means in your program, so there are no errors are there. So that means your program is error free. Now just run your program with the following command, Java space and type class name demo. That's it. To run your program, just Java space demo. So it is displayed a message hello. So that means our program is successfully executed. This is the way to run the programs from command prompt. Okay now. So but in our course, so we are executing our programs with the help of Eclipse IDE, Integrated Development Environment. We are not going to execute the programs like this. So that is the reason we are going to execute. We are going to install Eclipse software. So I am going to step 2. So this is the link to install Eclipse. Okay, now just I am copying this link. And go to Google Chrome, and I am just type, I just copy, I just pasted here, that's it. So I copied, that's it, I pasted here, just click on enter. So it is going to like this. Here if you see download, Mac version is available, Windows version is available, Linux version is available. So based on your operating system, okay, now based on your operating system, so versions are available. So my version is Windows. You can click on this one, or directly here it is available. You just click on this one for Windows users, and just click on this one. It will go like this. Okay, now download. So it is downloading. It will take few minutes, ma. It will take few minutes. Please wait. It will take few minutes. It will take few minutes. My system is taking 3 to 4 minutes time. So it is 1 or 2 MB file. So it will take some time, depends upon your system speed and your internet speed. Okay, so generally my system will take 3 to 4 minutes. This is the not first time I am installing this software. I practiced so many times. First, before making this video, whatever the Java software and Eclipse, I just uninstall. For your purpose, I am installing again. So to make this video, so that is the reason. So it will take 25 seconds left. It will take 25 seconds more. So please wait. So it completely depends upon your internet and your system speed, ma. If your system has more speed and internet also good, so then it will take only 2 to 3 minutes time. Okay, na? So otherwise it will take less than 10 minutes. So yes, it is completed. You just click on this one. It is opening. Please wait. It is opening. Please wait. It is opening. Please wait. Okay. If you are installing first time, it will display like this. Okay, na? Eclipse IDE for Java developers. You just click on this one. Install. Agreement, you just accept now. So it is going to install. For the first time installing, it will display like this. So it will also take a few minutes time. So based upon your system and internet speed. Yes, it is installing. So maybe some students will get some errors, not able to install. So all these errors, you will get all these errors. Okay, so if you get any errors, okay, now you just contact your respective faculty, they will guide you. So mostly 90% students, they will install successfully with this video help. Okay, so please wait. It is taking few minutes time. So if you see the messages, some artifacts are installed. Okay, so the process will take more time because internet speed is slow, like that. It is displaying the installation process. You see artifact download is progressing very slow from the following host. Okay, it will take some time, please wait. So total process from Java installation to Eclipse installation, both steps will take maximum half an hour time, but we require good internet speed. So internet speed is very important, and your system speed also. Okay, so my system is 8 GB RAM and my internet speed is also good. Installation process is taking longer than usual. Okay, it will display the messages like this, don't worry. So while you are installing, okay na, don't click on anything, okay na, just leave it, okay na, it will install. Yes, it will take few more minutes, please be wait. Few more minutes, please be wait. Please be wait. So I think almost complete, almost it is going to complete. Yes, it will take few seconds only. Yes, installation completed successfully. If you are getting like this, that means so the Eclipse software successfully installed in your machine. Just click on launch. Just click on launch. So it will display like this, Eclipse IDE 2020-12. It is the latest version. Okay na. So this is a very important step. Workspace. Workspace is nothing but whatever the programs you are going to execute, those programs will save in workspace. So it is default, it is C, but don't use this local disk C. Okay na. Browse, go to any other disk except C. Suppose in your machine only one disk is available, okay na, so then you use that one, okay na, and please observe that path where your files are saving. So I am using this new volume F. I am going to create one folder, new. I am going to create Java programs. Java programs are simply Java P. I am creating. Whatever the folder name, you just create it. Select that folder. So that means while you are doing your programs, you are going to create a project, packages, and class files. All the files will be saved in Java P. This is this one. Use this as a default and do not ask again. Yes, you just click on this one and go to launch. So it will take a few seconds only. So please be wait. We will execute one sample program. Whether it was successfully installed or not, we are going to check. Please wait. It will take a few minutes, few seconds only, not minutes. Yes. So after installation completed, it will display the welcome like this, welcome. Okay, you just close this one. It is not required. Close this one. Okay, so it will display like this. Go to file, go to new Java project, project name. So suppose my project name is sample. Go to finish. That's it. Go to finish. Okay, so don't create. All these things are not required. Don't create. If you see this one, package explorer is there, and in package explorer one folder it created. So that is a sample. So donate, you just click on close. So if you click on here in this folder, So again two folders are there, one JRE system library and SRC. If you are getting like this, then only it will execute our programs. In SRC, right click, go to new, create one package. So my package is session 1. Session 1, it is my package name. Finish it. So now it is a package. That means I am going to execute session 1 programs. So right click on session 1, again go to new and click on class. I want to execute one sample program. My class name is demo. So please follow the naming convention. Your class name, the first letter is a capital letter. It is not mandatory, but it is a naming convention to identify it is a class. Okay. So if this class requires a main method, you just click on this one. Okay, now automatically sample code will come. So please wait. Yes, this is my sample code. This is my sample code. Okay, see this code. So I want to execute a small program. So that is the reason. Okay, system dot out dot println. Okay, so suggestions will come like this. Just to click on this one and within double quotes, hello. So how to run this program? You just run, just click on this run button. That's it. Run. That's it. So save and launch. Always we are resources before launching. You just click on this one and OK. Now this is your output screen. Some people will get a bottom. So bottom of this page. Some people will get like this. Both are correct. So our Eclipse also successfully installed. So we already checked with one program also. So this is the fine. We have to install like this. Okay. So to do our programs. Thank you myself. My name is Ayappa. Thank you very much. Okay. So please follow this process to install Java software and as well as Eclipse. Okay. Please follow my process. Then you can execute command line using command line also, and you can execute in Eclipse IDE also. Both will work. Okay. So some people will ask, sir, can I install JRE? Yes, you can install JRE, Java Runtime Environment. But if you install JRE and as well as Eclipse, then only the programs will work. Without JDK, you cannot execute programs from command line arguments without JDK. So that is the reason I am preferring install, whether you are Mac user or Windows user or Linux user, install JDK, set a class path, permanent path. Okay now, and after that check with one program. Some commands are executed, check with program and execute your sample Java program. Then after that install your Eclipse software.